Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Market Leaders Voice with Kate, where we speak with the people driving the global mobile and consumer electronics industry, uncovering the stories, lessons, and strategies behind their success. Today, I'm joined by Yusuf Aktay, Sales Director at Teleplus GSM and company with more than 2 decades of experience in international trading and distribution. Yusuf, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. Before we get into the questions, could you tell us a little bit about yourself, your role, in the company's journey so far?
Our company, the Hong Kong company, is since from 2009, and after we changed the other companies, like it's since from 2015. But we are a long time in this industry because we are coming from the Turkey. So at the current situations, we have the Hong Kong locations, and Hong Kong location we have Hong Kong warehouse, and we have Belgium locations. In the Belgium location we have warehouse, and we have Teleplus USA company. This is from the 2015, also USA company. And we are in this industry. When we start this business, we start from the used stocks and we start from the refurbished, and now we totally do brand new SD stock and CPO stocks. Our Hong Kong company is almost its turnover 445 million Hong Kong dollars annual turnovers. And our team is very fast grow up. Now we are almost 20 employees, include sellers and logistics and accounting and everything and finance. So we have a target. And for the European market also, we have in the Europe, the Belgian location in our own warehouse. And we do physical stocks and we distribution for European market.
Let's start with the questions. You've seen the industry change dramatically over the years. What is the biggest difference between the electronics trading business today when you first started?
We first start this business really high demand and high profit. But at this time, when we are look at the market, it's very big competitions and very low profit. So it's big changes from beginning till now, and also big changes like the products. And also now when we start this business, we start with a mobile phone, but now also we do is consumer electronics and IT products.
You've been a part of the GSM for Trade community for many years. How important it is to have access to a network of verified and trusted companies when doing business internationally?
It's very important because if you want to deal international business, you should show how is you are reliable company, how is your trustable company. And then for that reason, you need to contact platforms and you need to verify the company, and someone is want to deal with you. They need to get your informations very openly and verify your company.
Next question. In global trading, deals can happen in minutes. What do you look for before deciding to work with a new company?
The first of all, I need to receive the old company, the documents, and I need to check their reference at GSM. Your platforms. We don't profile, we are not able to work that company. We are in the safe side. Otherwise, in the market, so many scammer and so many problems. You are able to get in second and you lose money.
Let's talk about products. Which product categories are creating the most opportunities for traders right now? Where do you see the strongest demand? Because you mentioned previously you changed products a lot since you start. So what do you think will change with time?
Now we are mostly focusing on AI products like GPU and CPU, IT products. We are working on it and a very hot demand in the market, those products. For the mobile phones, a little bit gets slow, but now this is quite nice. It's increased market now. And we are, of course, waiting new iPhone models. So every year is nearby release new models. So it's getting slow after release. So we are making good business and we are selling so many products. We are following our customers. We have big channel, WhatsApp channels, and we see the demand from the market. What customer they request, what products. So sometimes they request consumer electronics, IT products, and mobile phones. So it depends of the new models is coming.
And the last question, what advice would you give to a company that wants to enter the international mobile trading business today?
So first of all, when they start, they need to be members of the platforms to get a verification from them. And the second advice, they must do on-all shipping. So should they have the capital to start this business? Otherwise, it's very difficult for them. This is my advice.
Yusuf, thank you for joining us today. It was great hearing your experience and perspective. We appreciate your time and continued contribution to the GSM for Trade community.
Thank you too, and thanks for these meetings. And we keep working with your company, GSM for Trade, and we are happy with work with you guys. And thanks for your support. We always get support from you guys for the new companies, the new deals, new products. Always you guys support us, and thank you very much for that.
Thanks, Yusuf. And thank you to everyone watching. You can connect with Yusuf with the GSM for Trade platform and more about the opportunities they are creating across international markets. If you are a market leader, like to share a story in a future episode of Market Leaders Voice, we'd love to hear from you. Visit gsmfortrade.com to learn more, and I'll see you in the next episode.